User schema. Where was that? Oh, user API. User API. Is that bad? Is it bad to import from that? So it is from here. User shipping schema. How is that not a thing? Okay. This has been painful. User API. Oh, it's user API. So user API, yeah. And then I can do it down here like this. User API. Okay. Shape, and then this is ID, right? Yeah. It's just a Zod string. Whatever. Wait, what? It only needs the ID. Not bad. Oh, Dax. I feel like that's a typo. You didn't mean to say not bad. You meant to say not body? Could you please get it together with the typing? You're driving me crazy. Never mind, you're dumb. I think it should be an object, right? Not just a string posted as the body. I'm on a delay. Okay, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Shipping ID, just like that. So you post, or you put a shipping, you asked if it was bad. Oh, I gotcha. Not bad. Gotcha. Okay. I thought that was a typo. And it's going to return not a list of items in the cart. What's it going to return? The whole cart? Do you want to return the whole cart, Dax? You two are dumb. The most Indian validation you'll ever get. I actually know enough about Indian culture now to get that. That's funny. Prime looks French with his stash. That's funny. Hey, Dax. I'm going to ask you lots of questions. Like, for instance, do you just want to return the whole cart? I feel like you should do this work because you actually have opinions. I don't know. I think maybe we should never return stuff from mutation endpoints. Well, that's a choice. We could do that. So in that case, what do I put here? Just, how do I even return nothing? What is the schema for void? I literally don't know. Like, it just returns a 200, but what's the content? There is no content? You agree with him. Can you just do that? Returns nothing? Is the void? Is that actually a thing? Schema? Result? It will have no content. Is that a thing? Can I just do that? 204? Oh, different response code? Does it need a description? You can delete the whole entry? Oh, no responses. Look at that. Oh, no, can't do that. That was too far. Too far! So I do need to say it's a 200, but like what? Just what? Just meant no content. Okay, but it needs a description. Returns nothing? How do you want to word this? Returns nothing. God, I hate these decisions. I hate it so much. Successfully set shipping ID. This is the worst. It's just like a million naming things. And that's all I'm doing. Okay, so I take a shipping ID, and that's what that is. And set shipping just takes the string, so I'm gonna say shipping ID. Cool. Return, is there like a return nothing? Return C dot status. I bet that works. Feels good. No, it doesn't. Void is not assignable type response. Type response. How do I say it just returns a 200? Do I need to Google this? We can fill in the descriptions later. Okay, fine. Hono responses void. I just need to know, how do I return? I guess this is the Hono open API thing, right? Hono open API responses. I need some docs. Welcome to chat. Yes, Eric, first time viewer, fellow coder. Very cool that you have an audience of 200 here. It is very cool. Bunch of cool people in here. They're the best. Is this the Elden Ring of coffee shops? Do y'all know there's an Indian origin engineer working from Oracle who is now playing the Cricket World Cup from USA? Like legit, just a random engineer taking paid leave to trash big cricket teams. Wow. I guess we could just return a JSON even if it's just an OK. Is that what you'd rather do? I'm fine with that. I just need to make some decisions here, and it pains me. I just don't want to have a bunch of new to-dos to like clean this up before we expose it to the world, you know? Let's just say, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Responses. I want to know how I would just return. Let's just we'll return JSON. It'll just be what? It'll just be like z.object okay boolean, like that. Z.boolean. Is that good, Dax? I feel like that's good. I'm not gonna ask. It's good. Returns whether, yeah, the shipping was. Oh, that's a great use case for Copilot. Please fill in the done description. I don't want to do it. Okay, returns an okay boolean. So down here, we're just gonna say okay, true. Cool. Feels good. But I didn't have to fix that again. Shipping ID. Okay. What's wrong with it now? Result is missing in type okay boolean. Oh, it's result okay boolean. What do you think, Dax? Is this acceptable in your eyes? If it's a that's not a good description. If it's a 200, it's always going to be successful. Oh, good call. Shipping address was set successfully. Okay, fine. Shipping address was set successfully. Cool. How's that? Result z literal okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that works. Z literal okay. So then this is going to be what? Just okay. What's wrong with that? String is not as const. What? Oh, that's actually right. Sometimes you just guess and you're right. It's awesome. I really want more coffee, but I don't want to take the time, you know? It just takes so long to make coffee. Okay, we did it. We got put shipping. Let's do this one. Put. I don't like the way that's formatted. I like that better because it takes up so many lines otherwise. The as const thing feels a little goofy. It takes no time. Terminal coffee is easier to make than normal coffee. It takes no time. It takes negative time. Coffee is gross, but you should buy terminal coffee. It's funny. Am I going through and fixing all these? Yes. Do I need to? No. But I'm very OCPD. Okay. So we got put shipping. Now we're going to do put card. And this is going to be a card ID. And it's going to be a card API. Card schema. I bet I don't even have this yet. Detour. Oh, we do have card schema. Oh, I just haven't imported this. Yeah. So we have card ID, and the response is okay. Card was set successfully. This is going to be set card. This is going to be card ID. Feels good. Done. Look how fast that one went. We're making progress. Okay, I got to add all these to stainless. Okay. Okay. How easy is this work, Adam? Dum-dum work? It's dum-dum work. It definitely is dum-dum work. What is Vim keybind to remove white space on left like that? Remove white space. Did I do that? What did I do? I removed white space on left. I don't even know. That doesn't sound familiar. That's what I did. This is the API. Oh, it's probably just prettier format. Yeah. Stuff gets generated from this. Okay, I don't need to read what you're saying. I know what this stuff does. I know things. Okay, let's look at this. So we have product is done, user, card, cart. We just added a couple things to cart. So let's go into stainless. Was there something else I needed to add to cart? I feel like there might have been something else. Set item is now item. And then set shipping. I'm remembering things. This is what Dax said. Set shipping and then set card is that. Feels good. So card and cart are different. Don't get those confused. Let me just make sure. I actually feel like I mistyped one of these. I feel like, okay, put shipping. Just don't want to mess this up. Put card. Card, not cart. Okay, I think it's good. Let's generate our stainless thing. What do you say? Oh, what's wrong here? No matching export. User shipping schema. That's probably stale. That's probably fine. Okay, I'm gonna drag that with my mouse like a chump. Let's do this. Let's do bun run SDK. This is crazy. It's craziness. Uberic, what brewing method do you do at home? I do pour over. And it takes too long. I hate that card and card are so close. It's so annoying. There's a few other models. Product variant. Oh, you're saying I need to expose a few others? I should have done this first. That loading spinner is wild. The arrows spinning. Okay, so I need to expose. You're saying product variant. That'd be in here. Product. Oh, no, I need to expose them in stainless. So product. Okay, yeah, I didn't even do models under this. Product. And then I need product variant. Like that. Is that what you're saying to me? Probably. That look good? Put all models under shared? Oh, I guess we could. Is that where they belong? It said something in the docs about like why you would use shared, and I thought it was just when it doesn't belong under a certain. I don't know. Maybe it makes sense though. Let's just put them under shared. Why not? I like that. I like it. Dax likes it, and I like it. Let's do it. I'm gonna put them in OPQRSTUV. Yeah. Did I miss? Yeah, I missed that. Models cart is after card. Okay, I'm gonna regenerate. Let's look at our pull request that thing did, presumably. I'm gonna merge it. I don't care, even though I'm creating a new one right now. That version 11 probably not gonna be used. Probably not. No, sort it by length SSC style guide. You guys are funny. Why is it beneficial to put it under each subtype? I don't know. I'm asking a question. Yeah, I don't know either. I think it makes sense to have them all in shared. I think it's fine. It's probably like where they're going to be namespaced, and I feel like it should just all be in the root if that's what shared means, right? I don't know. We're just all making it up. We're just making stuff up. Should have a new pull request soon off this wonky bash script. I can't believe this worked. It's so awesome. I don't have to push to prod anymore. Look, Ma. I'm generating SDKs off my local environment. Still hasn't created a PR yet. Feels bad. Feels bad. Maybe now it has. Still no, huh? Still a no. Interesting. I'm in the right spot, right? Yeah. I guess there's some stuff going on in stainless right now that's like actually generating stuff. Maybe check Google Analytics while you're waiting. That's funny, Rick. That was very funny. It wasn't Google Analytics for what it's worth. It says failed? Where does it say that? Where does it say failed? What are you talking about, Dax? Or you're looking at something else? It was a Google Search Console. Yeah. I should stop talking about it. Maybe in the Stainless Studio? Is that what you're looking? Oh, okay. Open API parse error. Failed to parse. Oh, I screwed up. I screwed something up. Oh, in the Open API spec, not the Stainless config. Oh, that's a bummer. I was not expecting you to say that. That's a bummer. So let's see, what would I have changed? It's just all in the cart APIs. So I broke something in here, huh? Is Z literal okay? Is that okay? Card, shape, card ID. What would be wrong? Endpoint wasn't up when you ran it? Yeah, it was. Oh, it failed to hit my endpoint. Okay, that's fine. It just failed. It was up, but it failed. That's fine. Let's just do it again. So you're looking at that in the Stainless console or something? Stainless something you said? The Stainless UI? Maybe I should pull that up sometimes. Yeah, okay, I'll pull that up sometimes. Sounds good. Such a weird workflow we got going right here, but it works. Oh no! Oh no! Did it break again? Why is that not generating every time? Slash doc. It's not even asking it. It's not even hitting doc. What in the world? Hey, Dax? This looks like a, oh, there it did. Weird. This looks like an SST thing. It happened yesterday, Dax, where I just had to, like, kill the process. It just wasn't, it was, like, no longer hitting my thing, if you know what I mean. Okay, it failed again, didn't it? Failed again. I think IoT disconnected. Yeah, you do have to fix that. That's right, Dax. I knew it wasn't just me. I knew it was you. Okay, let's just do this. PS aux. Okay, so SST dev or bun run SST or bun run dev. Whew, gotta be able to type. Now I can do it, maybe? Let's try and hit the thing first. And then I'm going to pull up the Stainless dashboard. What am I looking for here? Where's the place to be? Just want to be like at the root. There we go. Failed. Okay, so I can see that now. That's good. Did I hit the endpoint? Okay, that looks like it worked. Yeah. So now if I do this, I bet it works. I bet it works. Gotta break free. That's right. I love this song too. I love Queen. I got into a real big... What's up, LME? LM Leo? I'll just call you Leo. I got into a big Queen kick after that movie came out. Did anybody else watch that movie and then just like listen to Queen for weeks? Because I sure did. Break free from coding for a bit. You bragged about your home office and your bio. Can you give us a little tour? Scythe, it'd actually be kind of tough, if I'm being honest. I don't have like a mobile camera set up right now. I do have like a mobile rig where I can carry a camera around my house if I want. I used to take it to my workouts. I was actually like streaming my workouts, which was fun with my personal trainer. I'll go back to doing that actually. Sam's great. He was great on camera. I'll actually mic us up so you guys can like hear us talk to each other and stuff. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start. I go like twice a week and I work out with a personal trainer. But I don't have my mobile rig set up right now. I'll have to set it up. Adam, behind you, watch out. Ah! I just turned around just for you, Dax. Can you tell what's so awesome about it? Awesome about my office? I mean, it's just, if you've watched me for very long, you know that I'm very particular. And my office reflects that. So it's very particular. Everything's kind of in its place. Actually, beware. I mean, Adam, I have played around. I've already set up an OBS scene where I can switch between my different house cameras. I've got cameras all over the house. So like I could actually flip over to my living room in OBS. I've set it up. I don't want to do it because my kids are in there right now. But it's possible. Like the Unify cameras have just a web endpoint that I can hit locally and actually look at any of my cameras in my house. So it's a thing I could do. Security nightmare, I know. I'm not going to do it. But it is a thing I could do at some point. Are your house cameras nicely hidden? What do you mean, Dax? They're not hidden. You can see them. I mean, like you can, in the room, you can look up and see them. I hate the way indoor cameras look. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, they look like indoor cameras. That sucks, but Dax prepping to break in. Are they always on? Are they recording? Maybe a repeat question. Are you using a window manager? Funny you should ask. I just changed window managers today. I was using Yabai for the last year or two. Yabai and SKHD. But I just switched this morning, literally this morning, because I don't have enough going on. I switched to aerospace. And I actually love it so far. There's a few things I'm still getting used to. Dax, is the main camera a 35mm or a 50mm? This one right here, it's good, Dax. It's good. I will say, I tried to configure it with i3 key bindings default. That's like one of the recommended configs. I was like, I should get used to i3 in case I ever want to become a Linux boy. i3 is just wrong. Why would they use almost Vim but not Vim for all the movements? It's so dumb. I don't understand. You refuse to use a window manager on Mac? Aerospace seems pretty good so far. It doesn't like do weird stuff with your system. It's easy to install. I was answering a question when I got interrupted. Oh, the main camera, this is a 35mm. The one that like shoots down on that moves around, that's also 35mm. And then the one over here by my desk is like a wide. It's like a 16mm or something. And then I did use a 50mm for a while on my main camera, but no, anyway, I'm not now. Is it likely to be installable on a lockdown work Mac? Yeah, I think so. It's like normal stuff. It doesn't like require you disable security stuff or anything. My girlfriend says 50mm is really big for a camera. It's average size. Statistically, anyone who uses i3 rebinds most of the keys. Everyone changes i3. Okay, so everyone does match Vim. Then that's better. i3 uses technically correct bindings. I mean, I get like you don't have to move your fingers off the home row. I get that. So I guess that is kind of technically correct. I see what you're saying. But Vim is the standard, as you said. Okay, let's get back to it. I should have a PR now. I should have a PR that I can just straight merge, rebase and merge. Look at that, version 12. Rebase and merge, and we'll update over here. Let's see. Let's go.mod. I guess could I just like make this be the latest version at all times? How would I do that? If I wanted this to just be latest, do I just literally say latest? Does that work? No. Can't do that, huh? Anybody? Beyond Roman, welcome to chat. You dude from Gerund Thumb? What is that? What is that sentence? Star? Thank you so much, Scythe. Star. That just works, huh? Oh, why doesn't it like it? Oh, with quotes. You tried to tell me exactly what to do, and I missed the detail. Oh, still doesn't like it. Must be the form. Huh. Anybody? Any ideas, Scythe? Welcome to chat, Nimbu. Hi, Adam. How do you host Terminal.shop? I am trying to build an SSH app, but cannot find any cloud provider that's letting me assign port 22. I'll just give you a little tip until we... Dax says pay me $5,000. Oh, that's for the GoLink support and Ion. Welcome to chat, Amer. Dax did all of the SSH hosting stuff, but I can tell you Cloudflare. We use Cloudflare. There's stuff in Cloudflare. There you go. We'll get to it. It's going to be open source. We'll get to it at some point. Oh, wait, you're saying we'll get to the Golang support. I got to stop getting mixed into two conversations at once. Star works in Composer. Hoped it works in the language you're using. Okay, anybody know in Golang, maybe just latest? I tried latest. It didn't work. I could like Google this, but like, can I not just have this be the latest? I would like it to always just be the latest for now while I'm doing all this active development. Go.mod latest version. I don't know. Oh, there might be an answer in here. Might be an answer. Just go get to the hash you want. I don't want to do that. I just want it to always use the latest. If you want to temporarily substitute, no, that's not what I want to do. Okay. Oh, latest? If you first order the latest and place the tag, it will get changed to the latest tag the modules. What? That's supposed to work? Oh, it replaces it when you run go mod tidy. See, that's not what I want either. Go get? AJ, what are you saying? Just do go get? Like if I go get the package, what? Can $5 VPS Bros run something like terminal.shop? Great question. Has to run on port 22. I think you have to remove the version and then just append at default. Oh, at the branch. That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. At, what is it? What's the branch? What's the default branch? Main. Look at Dax, so politically correct. Did that work? Ah, it does not work. Or it doesn't like it in here at least. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's just my linter thing. Yeah, for a git dependency, you can use a branch. But yeah, go get repo at latest. We'll always update it. See, I'm just trying to avoid a step where I have to update this every single time I update because we're just doing so many new versions. You know what I mean? So it's fine. If this doesn't work, I'll just come in here and update it every time. It's fine. It's fine. Try space instead of at. What do you mean space instead of at? Just space main? Main? No. It really wants it to be a number. Really does. Pretty sure you'll have to do that every time. That's fine. It won't fetch between compiles. Yeah, I was just trying to avoid the extra step. It's fine though. Okay, let's do this. Go mod tidy. Kill that one. Go mod tidy. Hey, could we actually write some Go? We need to actually build the front end, you know? I've just been doing API stuff, and it's front end time. We're gonna get the latest SDK. You can spin up EC2. You're having a separate conversation, right? I prefer to just read one message, ignore context, and start drama. Okay, did we download it? We downloaded it. Okay, let's do this. Let's go in here to the TUI. Oh, I gotta still fix this API file. Okay, let's see. First thing that's broken. So we have API client, we have with auth, that's all good. Fetch products is going to be a list of product. Yes, feels good. I think that feels good. What do they look like? Can I not see the shape of those? Yeah, that looks good. Oh, see, the shared thing, Dax, it ruins my, like, if I do the not shared, I had like a preview of all the props right here, but for some reason they do this dumb thing now where it's an alias to an internal type when it's shared. That's really annoying. It's fine. I mean, it's just annoying, but it's fine. Like now I don't get to like see all the props. I have to like dive into it and do this. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. This is going to be, so fetch payment message is going to be a bunch of cards. Okay, these things stay because it's auth stuff. Fetch user token. I'm going to leave all that. Order params. Okay, I'm getting rid of all this. Product order. All this stuff goes away. Shipping info response. Yeah, I don't need any custom types anymore. This is all coming from the SDK. Create order. This actually doesn't need any params either because terminal.order response, is that? No. Cool. Terminal.order service. I really wish I had some type ed here. Oh, here we go. Order? No. Where is the order stuff? There should be an order service, right? Oh, there's not. I guess we haven't started exposing order stuff yet. So I'm just gonna comment that out. That's fine. Stripe card. Okay, so this part is real. Stripe credit card. This part stays because it's interacting with the Stripe stuff. This stuff can go. This stuff can go. Submit order request. All that just goes. And then what is this? I don't need any of that now. None of that. Purchase order, huh? We just commented out create order. Now we're commenting out purchase. This is like the confirm step. And yeah, that's going to go away. Subscribe. All this can be deleted. Okay, we're getting there. Stripe key, Stripe public. Okay, auth post stays. Okay. This file should at least build now. Just this file specifically. I hate when that happens. Tej. Can you tell me why that happens? Why does my invim tree... Do you even use invim tree, Tej? Do we need to wrap the SDK in another layer, or can the UI just use it directly? Maybe we don't need this file. There's some convenience stuff. I'll let you tell me your thoughts here, Dax. But like we have the bearer token included and the URL included. So this API client thing kind of like stands up. I mean, this is like basically the only utility here offered. I do hate wrapping all this. But like this is what the code would look like in the client every time we need stuff. What do you think? Does this deserve any kind of abstraction or no? We don't have to use shared. I was just wondering what the difference is. Yeah. I don't have big strong opinions on the shared thing. Once you get the client, do you need to rewrap? I think we can use it directly. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we just don't. We don't need all these because this is like extra steps that feel bad. I don't really see a point to your point. So we just, API client can just be a thing that, and then I got to do the with token thing, right? Or we could pass it in here. Do we want to pass the token into the API client or just stand up every time? Like, so this fetch user has to do the with auth bearer thing. Hates Smithy? What's Smithy? Just from a bad experience using AWS SDK. Oh, that's what they generate SDKs with. Someone has stock in stainless. Dax, have you disclosed all your sponsors? I'm torn, Dax. What do you think? Does the with auth bearer stuff? I also wish I didn't have to pass bearer around so much. I wish we could just... What's the way and go to do this? Like, what's the way and go where I can just say, give me an API client, and it'll just include the bearer token when it needs to. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to pass it around, Dax. Why do I have to do that? Where can I get the bearer token? Why not initialize the client once with the bearer and save the client in the model? Oh, of course. Why are you so smart, Dax? Or why am I so dumb? Which is it? So the model, where is that instantiated? There's a place here somewhere. Model? Wait, did I make that up? Let's see, let's go to, where's the first, like, where's the instantiating of the thing? Root. Here we go. Okay, so in here, we create a model. Yeah. We're going to put an API client on here. We'll just call it, yeah, API client. I don't know. It's a API client. What was it called? It's one of these. Oh, it's this. Terminal, right? Client. Terminal client. Whoops. Oh, it's already in scope. Okay, so we already have the terminal.client, right? And what is the user? Okay, products. We're going to store these here too. What is API? Oh, we're going to get rid of that. Terminal. We're going to get rid of it altogether. This is an array. And then this is going to be cards. I mean card, not API. Oh my god. I'm just going to delete that file. Okay. So I'm storing payment methods, which we should just call cards? No, I'm going to stick with payment methods because I think there's a difference. What are you saying? You need why not initialize the client once with the bear and save the client? Is it okay to send the bear token for public stuff? Yeah, right? Yeah. You need a public and a private client. Oh, that's what you're saying. Auth versus unauth. Okay. Actually, never mind. They're all auth endpoints. Okay. We got there. I had to read all your messages to get there, but we got there. What's it's a pointer? What did you say it's a pointer? What are you talking about? Oh, this is you're saying the API client is a pointer. Yeah. This is a dumb thing, but do you care if it's client, API client? What do you care? Do you care? Oh, these are also pointers. What the? People in Go use single letters. What do you mean? You try to use single words? Yeah, I don't like the camel casing for one thing. I'm just going to call it client. I could call it just API too, but I don't know. The thing inside, array is not a pointer. Oh! Gotcha. So we have products and payment methods. Okay, let's get all this working. So here, when we create this is where we're going to create the API, and I'm just going to delete that API folder altogether. I'm going to delete the whole directory. I just want to make sure I know how to do this. Oh, wait, I do have stuff in here that we got to move somewhere, like the auth stuff and the Stripe stuff. I don't know, maybe we still need an API file. I don't know what the client returns. Yeah, we'll get there. I think we may still need this file. It might be jumping the gun a little bit, but I do agree with having the API. What does that do? Stripe key. So this could create an API client here with a bearer token. Let's do that. I guess I'm keeping this file. That init isn't needed, but what if I just created the client there? Because I wasn't going to delete this file. It's got all this stuff in it. Auth post. I mean, I could move all this stuff, but like Stripe credit card. So this is the interacting with Stripe stuff, which we could create a separate file for that. There's just so much cleanup to do here. Fetch user token. This has to be moved somewhere. So we have all that code. This is going to just be deleted. Same with fetch user, but I want to... Okay, we're going to just create let's just do this. Let's just create it right here. What is all this? I don't need all this. Client. What is this? With base URL. So, with base URL. Resource.open API worker.url. I should just name that to API worker probably. Wait, what's wrong with this? I don't have resource. Which one is it? It's this one. Okay, delete all that. Wait, add import context? Is that it? Nope. Where is that? Option.withBase URL. Oops. Option. And then we can import that from that. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm probably getting tons of message. We don't cogen for Go. I just meant that the init function is just reassigning static variable to another static variable. Yeah, leave that for now. Yeah, I'm going to leave the API file just for now. We have to add it manually in that resource file. We have to go add it manually in that resource file? What are you talking about? Oh, wait, we do. That is right. You need context. Oh, I do need context. Oh, it's right there. Okay, what's wrong with this? New client. Do we have too many parens here? Yeah. So with base URL, and then I also want to do... Wait, what? No. Like that? No. You need context. Parentheses is... You need one at the end. Did I get it? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. It'd help if I knew Go, you know what I mean? So that's option, and then we pass it into that. Ops ... So how can I just... Oh, wait, that thing was returning context is like a tuple. I don't need to do that now. Because here's what I'm going to do. Context. So why do we have to pass context into everything? That's annoying to me. You don't need context? Oh. It's just how Go works? Okay, well, I don't like how Go works. So there you go. Client. New client. Option with that thing. And then can I do another option with auth? I thought that was with auth. Is it not with auth? With bearer token. With bearer... Yeah. And I actually have this token down here. So that's the token, right? No. Can't use token, user credentials as string. Oh, access token. Oops. Okay, feels good. Kind of. So this one does need to be here. We'll get to Stripe here soon. I love how we just like built a store and then rewrote everything. Why did we do that? First arg of every function is context. So I do need to do the context thing. Why is this bad? Oh, just declared and not used. So it's actually just going to be on the model, right? Like that. But I actually need it up here because I'm going to use it for subsequent stuff. So API fetch user token, and then this one is going to be, instead of that, it's going to be like client user me. Yeah. Right? But I have to pass a context in there. And I have to create this context every time or something? Or can I just create it once? Can I just do this one time and then use it? Can we put it on the model? Can we put it on the model? Can I put it on the model? Context? What do you think? Is that a thing? Yeah, that's fine for now. Nice! I'm pretty sure there's an existing context in the bubble tea scope. Oh. So I could have just gotten it from bubble tea. We'll get there. Welcome to chat, Momo. What are you using for building the TUI? Bubble tea? Yes. Classic business run by devs, doing a complete rewrite immediately after launch. I know, right, Tom? Classic. Just classic us. Okay, let's see. I don't like that didn't format. Where did my Go format go? I feel like that should be formatting to multiple lines. Maybe it's because the page, the file's broken. It's probably because it's broken. Okay, so we init, we fetch the user token, then we create a context and a client. Then we start using the client. What is this anyway? Log info. Now we fetch products, which is not going to be that. It's going to be terminal dot. Or I'm sorry, client dot product list, and it's going to take context. And then here, this is going to be client payment. No, cards. Card list. Context. Okay. And now this down here, we're going to add client which is client, and context, which is context. And then this, can I use, I bet this is wrong. I bet this is defined wrong. Yeah. Wait, no. No. What's wrong with that? Type user me response. Oh, yeah. So it's like this dot result. Or user dot result. Excuse me. How do I want to do that? I guess down here I'll just do come on. Oh, come on. Do I need to do like this? No, it actually should be the other thing, Dax. Is that a smell of some sort? Is this bad? So it's safe. You really can't type today. This was not a rewrite. This was an iteration. An iteration, if you will. Superboy, I don't have a course command, but you can go to proaws.dev if you want to learn about the course. Like that. Result. Okay. Theme. Okay, I got all that stuff now. Load facts. I don't love how that's done, but it's fine. We fixed the file. The file works. The file works. So we put all that stuff on the model now. The client and the context. So now I can go fix some other files. Let's clean up API here a little bit. What is this? I'm gonna leave those because I'll delete them. If we need them, we'll come back to it. With auth, don't need it anymore, right? Don't need this anymore, right? And don't need this anymore, or this. Okay, cool. So this is just gonna have some of the Stripe stuff in it for now. Let's see, fingerprint, user credentials, all this stuff is the auth. So we have auth and Stripe stuff in here. That's fine. I'm gonna get rid of everything else. Stripe and auth stuff. That's it. That's all. And then we'll have to fix all the files that I broke. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put this up higher. Feels like a knit should be at the beginning. I don't know. Like that. Cool. Cool. Let's go back here. Let's see. API test. This probably doesn't work anymore. Oh, maybe it does. I don't know. I don't care. Who needs tests when you're awesome? Okay. Root. So we got all that stuff on that now. Now let's go to the first view. Oh, everything is broken. Literally, I broke every single page. Okay, that's fine. We're going to fix it. Where's the first page that you land on? The first page, well, the header is shared across everything, right? So let's fix it first. mProducts.key. What is the problem here? Cannot index. Is it because it's the reference thing? Welcome to chat, Sad Z. A slice is already a pointer. You don't need to do that, or rather, you shouldn't need to. Yeah, I don't actually know anything about Golang. So let's see if I can fix that. Yeah, we can eventually move these to stripe.go and auth.go. Yeah, I like it. This is what peak male programming performance looks like. I mean, I think so. But can you guys help me with Go? I don't understand things about Go. Like memory stuff, like pointers. Oops. I don't understand any of this. So you're saying I can just remove this, oops, and this, maybe? Maybe that one too. So just those, maybe? I don't know about peak. You've got a pointer to a slice again. Should be a slice of pointers. But are we sure? No, terminal user is a pointer. Oh, user is a pointer. Okay. You guys say this, but then why did the thing get unhappy? when I did that. So let's go to root again. See, well, look, root says, nah. Oh, maybe it's because I did that. No, it doesn't like it. It says, cannot use products.result, variable of type, that thing. Oh, it's not pointers. They're not pointers. That's all. It's actually simpler than that even, right? It doesn't return a pointer. Look at that. Fixed. Feels good. Can someone tell me what the and does? I don't know, Golang. I don't know what I'm doing. What does the and do? Creates a pointer? Maybe? Maybe it creates a pointer? Nice. Remove the pointer from everything, I guess. That is a reference, and remove the and. Okay. And we'll go back here and we'll say not pointers. Okay. What about user? No. Client, variable of type terminal client as terminal client value and struct literal. Doesn't like it. It is a pointer. Like remove it from everything. Well, except for that one. That one definitely is a pointer. Okay. Now what do we have? Now let's go back to header. Now we have a problem with this because it's probably just changed. Undefined. Price undefined. What is the shape of product? Oh, because they have variants now. Oh, Go is dumb and has fake pointers. Oh boy. What's up, Hyper? Hope you're doing fine, Adam. Good to see you. Good to see you, Hyper. Let's see. Reference. Thank you, Mock. Welcome to chat. You can just say something dumb on Twitch, and you'll get lots of new chatters. Because people are like, I know the answer to this, because I'm not an idiot. Context definitely should not be a pointer. Terminal client is a pointer. Go is not. Okay. All it means is when you pass to a function, non-pointers get copied. Gotcha. So it copies the values versus just referencing it in memory. I know things. You mostly end up using pointers everywhere. Okay. Don't you write TS for a living? Imagine writing TS for a living and calling Go dumb. I'm not saying Go's dumb. Oh, you're talking to Dax. I wrote Go so people can write TS. Contexts are already pointers. Interfaces are pointers in Go. Okay, perfect. Since it points to an actual type. So I think I understand everything now. The question is variance. Why do I have to deal with variance? Sucks so bad. Do any of our products have multiple variants, Dax? They all just have one, right? Can I just be dumb and do this? Oh, it's not how it works. It's like dot variants. Can I just do this? What's wrong with that? Invalid operation. Int and N64. Are you kidding me? Dax, did you just do something funny with money? And now I have to like think. Cart already has subtotal on it. What are you talking about? Oh, I don't need to do this. I just need to pull the cart. Aha. Aha. So I don't need to do this. I just need to display. Just like that. I just need to display the total from the cart object. Where do I display total? Total. Right here. Does it need to be divided by 100? That's the question. m.cart. Is it state.cart? m.state.cart. Dot. Dax? False. There is no total on the cart. And it's probably good to do it client side for optimistic updates. Oh, right, because the cart is stored on the server. Okay, undo. So you're saying keep doing this, keep keeping track of the total. Why can't I multiply? Can I say this is like an int64 now to multiply these? This is an int64. And I don't know Golang. Welcome to chat, Krieger. I could just like pull up ChatGPT and stop asking so many questions. You know what I mean? This is a thing I could do. I could say, I need to multiply an int and an int64 in Golang. And it'll just tell me the answer. You know what I mean? What? Could just do that. Oh, Twitch chat's faster than ChatGPT. Just swap item for int64 item. Ha, nice. Int64. What's wrong with that though? Do I need to make total an int64? How do I say it's an int64? How do I make total not an int? Is it like D or something? M? I don't know. How do I do? Oh, I just say total. Wait, what? What is in.state.cart? Great question, actually. A cart state. Oh, it's not. I thought it was the cart itself. Oh, right. So every time we have to actually make API calls every time we change something in the cart. That's new. Yeah, I'm going to redo that. Good call. Var total int64. Okay, that's how I would do that. Also, nil slices are the same as empty slices, so no need for the check. Oh, okay. That's a good shout. Yeah, I got to update the cart state. But first, I got to pee real bad. What else am I going to do? We're just going to keep moving. I just got to pee. I'll be back. Hey, I'm making coffee. And it's taking forever. It always does. But I thought I'd come back here and play some better music. So you guys don't have to listen to that forever. Let's see, how do I even do it? How do I even play the music? There we go. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just making the pour over. I'm 3 pours away, and I'm done. Let's see if I can get back over here. Okay. All right. So it's on the final pour. I just got to remember to go get it here in a minute and drink it. Let's see. Pour over greater than espresso. I know, right? Missed moment for product placement advertising. I know. I got to start advertising the terminal coffee. We did, Zach. We got over the terminal issue or the stainless issues. Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to jump around. Good espresso. I used to have a really good espresso machine. I don't know if it was pretty. I think they're all kind of hideous. I had one. I just got tired of making espresso. It's so much more work. Like the pressing and it was so much. I finally started getting good at it, and then I got rid of the machine. It was too much. Adam should get decent espresso machine. Oh, we're still talking. You've been cooking today. Been cooking. We're getting stuff done. You know what I'm saying? Like actually getting stuff done. After yesterday, it was much needed. And speaking of, let's actually get stuff done. What do you think? Okay, you guys are going to help me tremendously with the Golang side of this. I want to update cart state to be different. So let's see. So when this thing opens, what is product inventory? Oh, right. Oh man, if we could just get it opening again, get the shop opening up where I could see. Why am I in the cart though? I don't actually want to be in the cart. I want to start with the first page you load is the product or the shop page. If we could get to where the shop opens, like in the SSH session, and we can just add products to a cart, that's a huge win. Because right now we've just been busted for a while. Dax is redoing the API, and anyway. What about French press to make cold brew? Maniac, welcome to chat. I don't do a lot of French pressing. I have in the past. It'd probably be faster, I guess, than pour over. Maybe I should French press. I don't know. Full automatic espresso machines? Yeah, I guess maybe that's what I should have done. Maybe that's what I should have done. Just a fully automatic espresso machine. Or maybe just a fully automatic drip coffee machine. That would save me some time. Okay. So this is the shop page. This is where I pull products and then display them. Let's start there. The header is going to be on every page, so I will have to fix that as well before I can get going here. What if we just hid the total for now? What if we just hid it? You know what I'm saying? What if we just straight up didn't have it? Well, let's start there so that the header is fixed. And we'll come back to the total. So in shop.go, I need to fix what? Let's start up here and let's move systematically through. Dax, you still here? Does product have inventory still? No. Oh, wait, do the variants have inventory? No. They have a price? Do we want to store inventory? Is Dax still here? I don't believe Dax is still here. I don't think he's still here. See you in 70 seconds. Ads. Ah, what's going on with the ads? I think something changed on my Twitch. It said something this morning when I started the stream about ads. How do you become a morning person? I love the morning. I don't know if you become one, but I love it. You get up early, do nothing, and revert back to being a late person. Or get old. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's because I'm old. I like the morning a lot. Have kids. Yeah, that also helps. So can someone tell me where did Dax go? I need Dax to tell me. I'm just going to message him. I need to know if he wants to still do the inventory thing. I feel like we need to do the inventory thing. I'm assuming we want to track inventory. Or maybe not. Maybe not, actually. Actually, not. Because we're not going to run out, ever. We just have like an infinite supply now. Let's just do this. Let's just get rid of all the inventory checks. For now. So product type is no longer a thing, huh? What was type before? Let's do this. I can actually look at production by doing SSH terminal.shop. What was product type? Oh no! Oh no! Dax, we're down. We're down in prod. Is Dax back? Why is that not working? I didn't know this wasn't working. Did everyone know this wasn't working? Become more version, getting old and suddenly starting to wake up at 5 a.m. What? Dax? Dax? Did I do it? I didn't do it. I didn't break this. This wasn't me. I'm gonna get my coffee while I think about this. Why is this not working? Since when is this broken? Can you restore it? Stammies is not down, Bertrand. But I'm going to check because you know I'm going to check because that's terrifying. No, it's not down. Can you restore it? The AWS here. Pager duty is down, for real? Stammies is so pretty now. I know, right, Nixia? We just rolled it out this morning at 4 a.m. I hit the big button. Tomorrow FM. Okay, I'm not checking that one. Somebody tell me Bertrand's he's trolling me. Adam's Twitter's down now. I love you, Bertrand. Why is SSH terminal.shop down? What's going on there? Have we even done a production update in forever? Let's go to SSH or terminal GitHub. I didn't do an update, did I? 10 hours ago. Dax! Dax broke it. Dax did it. That Dax. Oh my goodness. Dax. How many times can I say Dax? Just in case anyone was curious, Dax broke it 20 hours ago. Wait, this is in production? He's been rolling stuff into production for the last few days. It's broken, Dax. Sure. Okay, well, I'm messaging him. Improve API models. I know, right? It's been down for 10 hours. It's probably been down for longer than that. I mean, it was pointless to go there because you can't buy coffee yet. It's just a like empty site, or empty app. But still, we shouldn't break it. You know what I mean? Deploy failed. Why did the deploy fail? Does anyone even check this thing anymore? Let's see. Task definition. What happened? Where's the error? Created. Huh. I'm gonna make Dax look into this because I just need to keep working on this stuff. But error. Here we go. Request from error from Stripe. Resource missing. No such webhook endpoint. Oh. A live key was used to make this request. So, using a test secret probably? I don't know. Fix it, Dax. Fix it! Dax! Where's Dax? He's traveling. He's been unresponsive of late. Okay, I'm telling him to join the stream. I don't know if he will, but Stripe shutting us down? I don't think that's the case. I think Dax just effed up a secret. Okay, that's fine. And I mean the broken deploy is unrelated, I'm sure, because we had deploys working before that. Dev production. Let's see. No, he got lots of builds broken. I don't know. I wish it worked, though. No work-life balance. Poor guy's on vacation, just trying to travel, and Adam is spamming him. Dax is never on vacation. We've talked about this, me and Dax. We know. We're on the same page. He's not on vacation. He goes on vacation, and then him and Liz are like, maybe we could work some? Because they get bored. Again, he just had vacation. He's fine. So that just doesn't work. Well, I can't look at the shop if that doesn't work. You know what I mean? What was the product type? Product type. I don't know, but I guess it's not important. I think I do know what it was. I think I do know. I think also we don't have variants. We only have one variant for every product. So, with that in mind, we're just gonna... These are the only two remaining errors. What do I want to do here? I might need to just extend... Oh, I hate that. I might need to extend the API real quick. I think I do want to actually add a typed product. I think it's a little too minimal right now. It just has a name. Oh, it has a description. Oh, it has a description. No, there's a separate thing, though. It's name, type, and description. I don't know, that feels kind of weird. The variant has a name. Oh, we could use the variant. I don't even know if we have data in the thing right now. I need Dax. I actually need him. What are you guys talking about? Stat me stuff? Man, why can't I actually get anything done without Dax around? This sucks. Because I need to know. I think you created like a seed script somewhere at some point. MySQL import. No. He created something. Oh, interval. Interval. Interval is a thing. Interval.terminal.shop. No. This is a thing. Infra interval. This is a way to interact with the database, I believe. But there's no... There's no URL, huh? No interval URL. How do I access interval? Does anyone know? Let's go to the Docker file and just poke around. What do you say? Docker file. Oh, there's two Docker files? Oh, yeah. Interval Docker file. So app, packages, ugh. That doesn't help me. Interval. Oh, I can run it in dev. SST dev bun source interval.ts. Okay, let's do that. I'm just trying to actually see data in the database to see if he set up any products or not. Scripts, let's see. Let's do push the packages interval. And let's do bun dev. Bum, bum. We all need DAX. We do. I need DAX. Access your actions at this. Okay. Interval.com/dashboard. I don't even know if I have access to interval.com. I do not. Okay, I gotta go fuzzy and I gotta look at my email. Gotta go fuzzy. Fuzzy. Have you found Bun nice to work with? Yeah, Notorious. It's been good. Wanted to try it out, but I code on a ThinkPad and my hardware is too outdated. Really gotta win that MacBook. There you go. Win the MacBook. I'm actually gonna do something else first. I'm gonna fix my touch trackpad. I'm gonna say I want swipe between full screen applications to be with 4 fingers. Yes. Yes. Save that. Is it saved automatically? Okay. So now I can come over here. Yes. I can just check if I'm fuzzy. Feels so good. Okay, I'm fuzzy. Whoops. What's going on here? Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna leak things. Oh no. Am I sharing my screen? Oh, I'm fuzzy. Okay. Man. Hurts the head. Let's see. I'm gonna check my email. Over here. I'm gonna see if I have anything about interval. I guess I could also search. Oh, welcome to interval. Yeah. Join your team. I guess I did that already. Welcome. Visit your dashboard. Do I sign in with Google or email? Email. What is my password? Oh, I'm in. Look at that. Okay, let's put this on. Oh. Oh. That was weird. Huh. Okay. Dad brain in full effect. Fuzzy. Can I stop being fuzzy? I think. Let's see. What's on this? That's fine. I can show that. Yeah. Let's just minimize this browser. Let's just drag this one over here. And then I can go unfuzzy. Rickroll, remember that? Ha! That was fun. What's up, Frag? You can see everything? Stop it. You can't see everything. But you made me double check. Oh my god, okay. Unfuzzy. Presumably you guys can see now. So terminal products develop actions. That's where I am. Connect from the dashboard. Dashboard? Maybe Dax hasn't put anything in here yet. Maybe that's the problem. Dev? Is this my dev? Is this his dev? Product? What? It's probably not my dev, right? Access your, develop. Development? How do I, let's see, let's go to, oh, personal development key. Oh, this one is, development environment is unique to your user account. Okay. Do I just want to share? Maybe I just want to share with everyone. This one? I wonder if this is what I am currently getting. Well, let's just log out. Let's do this. Let's log some stuff and see if I have products with variants. You can leak this one. Interval is like an internal, it's like an internal tool for building like internal apps, just so we can interact with our database, I guess. So let's do this. Let's go. How can I get something running in Go where I can just hit the API and see if it works? Oh, I don't have to use. Oh, because products is public. I think. So I should be able to just hit this, right? It's like that / product get. No products. Okay, so I am hitting. So I think I need to this development key or something. Personal development key. I need to copy that to clipboard and I need to put it into like an interval secret. Yeah. Let's see. Is there interval secret? Interval key? That's it. Interval key. Okay. So SST. Oh, I gotta go fuzzy. Sorry. Fuzzy. 20 cents coffee? Yeah, that'd be great. SST secret set interval key. Yeah, that's it. Interval key. And that's the one. Okay. Let's so it's deploying. I can unfuzzy now. Presumably, at this point. Oh, look at that. Product empty. Okay, create product. Look at this. Thanks, Dax. Thanks for doing this. That Dax. Always thinking about us. So I'm going to add some well, I think I'm going to add some products. This may be broken. I take back all the nice things I said about Dax if this doesn't work. So what are we doing here? Frag, we're working on terminal.shop. It's our little coffee venture. That one has products. This one is not working. Why can't I add a product? Actions you've defined using your personal development key will appear here in the console when your SDK is connected. I don't know how this thing works. I don't know how interval works. Let's look in here and see if something makes sense. Okay, so you have to define routes. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is kind of cool. So I wonder what he did here. Select product, select variant, page, list products. This is so much stuff. I thought he said this was 0 config or something. That's what I thought he said. Product detail. Product remove. Do I want to mess with this right now? I just need to be able to access the database. I wonder if he's giving me access to planet scale. You got that part? Oh yeah, I'm just trying to get access to the database frag so I can actually like edit products. Big news, Interval has been acquired by Meter. Edit product, page variant. This is so much stuff. I thought he said this was easy. What's IO? Select. Single. Is it from the database? Is that hitting our database directly? Terminal core. Man, I really wish Dax was here. It is easy. Dax probably. All right. Welcome to chat. Fevzig. I messed that up really bad. Hey, thanks for the compliment too. Okay, I wish I knew how aerospace worked, because that is not the best that it switches that. But I bet I can turn it off. Dev bun internal. Okay, interval. Do I want to mess with this? I need to be able to put some products in the database, and apparently I cannot do that. Cannot do that here. It's just erroring, presumably. Something is going wrong here. 404, transaction add. Is there any add in this file? Add variant. Oh, that's variant. How about add product? I don't see an add product. Edit product, remove product. I wonder if he has a script to add products in the database. I didn't want to do that. Let's see, is there something? Product create. What does this do? Product list. There's nothing calling product create anywhere? What? Product variant dot create. I'm so confused. Returns a list of products. So we have that, but we don't have a way to create. We don't have a way to create a new product. I guess he just put them straight in the database. I'm gonna have to connect to Planet Scale. I don't think he's given me access yet. Planet Scale. Hi bro, what are you working on? Or what are you doing right now? Welcome, Adel, to my chat. We're working on terminal.shop. That was a nice slurp. You gotcha, Nixia. I'm a slurper for way back. I'm gonna slurp on my stream quite a bit. Che Chung. Welcome to chat. Your video setup is pretty dope. Do you use something to pan the camera behind you? Or is it a digital pan? It's a real pan. It's a real physical. It's called an Edelkrone. It's like a camera rig that pans around. Hires 2 different cameramen to record the pan. The keyboard is a Mode 80. My keyboards are really great. They do sound really good. Okay, I don't know if I can actually log into Planet Scale. Maybe. Probably not, though. Maybe GitHub? Maybe I can bother Dax. Let's see if he'll give me access. Oh, Dax is getting on a plane. If he gives me Planet Scale access, then I'm good. He liked your tweet. He's always answering Twitter. He just doesn't answer me on Discord. Let's see. What is your keyboard? What window manager do you use? I just switched this morning, MB. I was using Yabai for a long time, and I just switched over to Aerospace. and I'm still getting used to it. Dark Zone, welcome to chat. I want to start building my own cappuccino machine. Cappuccino, that's the word. With microcontrollers. This seems pretty cool. Whew, a cappuccino machine. That sounds hard to build. Do you still like DynamoDB? I love DynamoDB, Grasp. I do. I don't use it as much, but we use it. I mean, like StatMuse, there's every time I like spin up a little random service in StatMuse, I use Dynamo usually. Do you like saunas? I do like saunas. I have a sauna. I love saunas. Well, I don't know what SaunaDB is though. I like hot saunas that you get in. I've got one on my back porch. I get in it every night, most nights with my wife. Do you like ice baths? Bertrand, you know me. I love ice baths. You want me to talk about it? Okay, I came over here because I'm going to end the stream. Just because I got to eat breakfast. I haven't figured out how I'm going to stream and eat breakfast ever. Or go on walks. I like to go on walks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm ending the stream. Somebody said no. How am I supposed to work without your stream in the background? Yeah, I got to figure it out. Maybe I'll like stream twice a day. I'll eat breakfast. And then I'll come back and I'll stream again. I don't know. Maybe. I love streaming. I just also love taking breaks. Bertrand doesn't care. He's like, see ya, get out of here. Get out of here. Sauna stream. There you go. It's a long time you stopped streaming Twitch. Why? Diali, I did stop streaming for like 6 months. Or something like that. It is 9:40 a.m. It's breakfast time. I've been up since 4 a.m. I haven't eaten yet. Hello and goodbye, I guess. I'm sorry, Compulsive. Welcome to chat. I will have a good one. Let's raid, probably Prime. It'll do the auto raid thing. It's been good, guys. It's been fun. It's been good fun. Maybe we could do it again sometime.